windy. We're on the Benton Harbor stretches of St. Joe River, October 20th? October 20th, 2018, and we've had massive front come through. Winds are sustained, 22 to 25 mile per hour winds, gusts of 40 miles per hour, blowing into the off of Lake Michigan into here. In the St. Joe River, and what we found are the lake fish have moved into the river, and we have sure caught some big ones today. So you can see it's extremely windy out. All we do is set the spot lock facing into the wind and cast with the wind, and we've caught pretty big fish doing that today. Got one? Yeah. Eating that? Probably so. How big is it? It's a keeper, isn't it? Better than I thought he was. Bring him up here. Better than I thought he was. Yes, son. Yes. Thank you, Clay. I didn't think he was that big at first. Well, there we go. Number one with Clay Sterling. Open tournament, St. Joe River, Benton Harbor. It's going to be a good day on the umbrella rig. I like that Shane's bait. So you think they won that thing? So I caught that one, and after I bring him in, I noticed one ripped off. As I was reeling that one in, another fish jumped behind it. So I know what happened is I actually had a double on. And the better one of the two, of course, ripped it right off. We're definitely doing the right thing. Over this umbrella rig. Many blades of glory. Have I mentioned yet? We're having a blast with smallmouth bass. fish, Clay. Well, Clay just made a big call for it. Clay, tell me how you caught that thing.
I was just feeling it. It about stopped it. It hit it so hard.
Hold that bad boy up when you get them all entangled.
It's all tangled up.
Got that one. Well, here we are at the end of the day. Clay Sterling and I, hunters of fish for sure. It's pretty much diabolical conditions out here. The wind is really unbelievable. But we got several really good smallmouth. And we'll put Clay on spot here. Clay, what'd you think of our day here?
It was a blast. I mean, the weather didn't cooperate very well, but you know, any day you can come out here and catch the fish that we did, it's a good day. So
we did get some good ones. We are doing a little tournament here, R&B Bass Circuit Open, and we'll see how our weight is. We both think we might have hit the 20-pound mark out here in the St. Joe River in Michigan, southern Michigan, which is never too shabby when you hit the 20-pound mark. Our game plan really all day was throw the Alabama rig and umbrella rig, and my favorite one is a Shane Bates Mini Blades of Glory. I know Shane was throwing the what do you call it, a junior flash mob or something like that, and definitely early on we caught more fish on the Blades of Glory. Unfortunately, we lost, I think, 8 of them or 7 of them. We kept getting snagged up on the bottom, and we were using 3 to 3 Lochness Lures Little Nessie swim baits, and then just the Nessie swim baits, what we were throwing a combination of. Colors, I'm not sure how important they were, because it seemed we get bit on several different colors. But that was our game plan. We got one quick, and it was slow, it was a grind, but man, every time we caught a fish, it was a keeper or an upgrade.
The first one you put back had a bigger problem.
they're all the same on the side.
I grabbed that first one you put back. That one got a big old gun.
What is it?
Your left hand.
This one?
I don't know what to choose. Choose wisely. Here you go,
468.
That one there. So that minnow bobber, that was okay to use, Andy?
It was shiner. It was a particular, you had to use crappie shiner.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, you used the bass ones and like.
That's why we use the bass ones today.
2173.
Good job.